Yeah, so I split it up really into personal care, pantry, and then cleaning.
Okay.
So cleaning is like all-purpose cleaner, dish soap, laundry soap, stain sticks, all of that. So dishwasher powder, those things for cleaning and your household goods. We have personal care, which is shampoo, conditioner, face toner, body wash, hand soap, lotion, all those sorts of things that you would use like in the bathroom, really. And then we have the pantry section, and that's all organic, but quinoa, rice, black beans, flour, spaghetti, olive oil, things that I felt like were staples for our family and that we could
Mhm.
only find in the grocery store wrapped in some sort of plastic. And so this way you can get a little bit of quinoa, or we have people that get pounds of quinoa at a time. You can stock up, but in a container that you already have. So those are the kind of the products. We have over 40 different refill products right now, along with all of our other things.
Okay.
But that's kind of the anything that you feel like you use on an everyday basis is the stuff that I'm hoping to be able to offer in the store.
Okay. So kitchen, bathroom, and pantry, kind of all three. If someone wanted to get started, but they're like, I don't necessarily have the containers, do you help with that as well?
Yeah, so we do have a handful of different vessels if people don't have one, or some of the powders and things. We actually have little compostable paper bags, so you can leave with at least a couple of different things. Um, and I would encourage you to like just audit your house, and if you
Mhm.
use a spaghetti jar and Greenville doesn't recycle glass, and you want to run that thing through the dishwasher and then bring that, that's great too. Like I think that there potentially is a lot of containers that are
Yeah.
not being used. And so you can hold on to something like that. But we also do have a handful of different containers and options for people if you don't have one. Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. And I would imagine the customer base that would be, your kind of core is also very concerned about like the ingredients, like the chemicals and the different things that would be involved there. And so are you more kind of, I would imagine more towards the organic side as much as possible? And tell us about kind of the chemical makeup of what you're selling.
Yeah. It's a hard thing to describe because we say like clean, but that means
Yeah.
very different things to very different people, and there's no good definition. But it is basically mostly organic ingredients, a lot of naturally derived ingredients as much as possible. And the goal is that throughout the entire supply chain of our products. So the people that make the product, the ingredients that they're sourcing, the packaging that they're using, all throughout the whole process, that people are being treated fairly and that the environment is cared for. And so that means that most of the products are derived from a lot of really natural ingredients, sometimes man-made products if they need. We put a lot of stress on the environment, so we can't get everything from the environment, and sometimes it is helpful to have like a man-made product. And yeah, so that hopefully throughout the whole process, everyone is treated fairly and respected. And then also you have a top quality product that's safe for you, your kids, your dog, in use throughout your whole house, that also you really like and that smells good and that works. Because I think a lot
Yeah.
of natural products don't always work, and you want to know that this is actually cleaning my house.
Yeah. So again, tell us your website and just kind of review kind of where you are as well, just so people can start to get familiar with that.
Yeah, we are outside of downtown, on Old Buncombe Road, kind of headed towards TR a little bit. It's 2307 Old Buncombe Road. You can park behind the store and then shop your heart out there. Our website is aminmarket.com. We have all the information about the refill offerings, the products that we have, where to find us, the shop hours, all of that is on there. If you have questions, I'm also very active on our social media, which is Instagram, amend.market. You can DM me on there. I have people ask questions and want to see stuff and all that sort of stuff on Instagram. I'm happy to answer questions. And you should know that most people are getting started with refills for the first time ever. So, of course, you're going to have a lot of questions. Of
Yeah.
course, you're going to want to know what's in everything. And it should be easy to shop sustainably and safe for your family. And you shouldn't have to do all the research and vetting and stuff. We've done that for you. And so, hopefully, I can answer questions. You can smell stuff, sample things, and we can make the process a lot easier. But just know that everyone else is also new at all of this. Like we're new at all of this.
Yeah.
So we can help you get started, and it's a very easy and fun process, I promise.